Hi, I am Sadiq Bhaimia and I am from Chennai. I have been keeping birds for last 4 decades and it has been my hobby, and even after 4 decades it's still my passion. And recently my friends have been pestering me to write something on birds because I have so much experience. So I thought I'll fulfill my friends' dreams. So I came out with the idea and I brought out this small booklet. It is a 58 pages book, Introduction to Bird Keeping. This book is not for experts because this does not deal with the grammar of aviculture. It deals with the ABCD basics of aviculture. And I hope this book will be very, very helpful to all the upcoming hobbyists.
For those who have not been so fortunate as of now to be in touch with Sadiq Bhaimia, let me tell you, he is a celebrity over Facebook by a lot of people, hundreds of thousands of people in India who are asking him questions about diseases, medicines and other healthcare related to the bird, and he is supporting them not for a year or two or a decade. He's been helping people for more than 3 decades. On different methods. Now the social media that has come into the picture for past 5 to 7 years, he's been supporting people on Facebook. He has a Facebook group called Avian Dropbox where he gives basic suggestions to people, although he suggests for crucial diseases that you should go for avian vet. But then reading this book will enable you to have one Sadiq Bhaimia at your home, one Sadiq Bhaimia at your comfort. Whenever you can feel like comfortable, you can open the book and read out this book and help yourself. Sir, as a beginner, when you say you are making a book for the beginner, what all species it is going to talk about and what all is covered in this 58 pages that one should read and one should concentrate on?
See, basically, to start with, first people should know what aviculture or bird keeping means. I have explained to them what it is. Then I have told them how to keep the birds, the types of housings like outdoor, indoor, individual setup, colony setup. Then after that, how do you select a bird? How do you find out a bird is sick? And after that, there are certain issues like why the eggs are not hatching, why the birds are mating. So everything is basic, like why the birds are mating and the eggs are not coming. Eggs are coming but eggs are not hatching. There are so many issues. Then you have chicks dying at moment they hatch, the parents are not feeding. Then you have some medical issues like spread legs, curled toes, and some other small diseases that people can identify and treat. Then you have problems with the nest box. People are giving wrong nest box to wrong birds. And there I have explained how and what nest box to use, how to prevent the breakage of eggs. And this 58 pages is so small that I cannot discuss anything about the species in here. If people like it and if I go ahead, then they will be info on the species also. This is basically if somebody picks up a bird and goes home, it tells him what to do, how to go about breeding his one pair of bird. Whether it is a macaw, whether it is a budgery, the principles are the same.
Sir, although I really appreciate the way that you are humble enough to tell us that it is a very basic book, but after listening to you, I feel like this book is involving almost every factor one has to learn about. The only thing it may not be covering is the species-specific talks, which comes on a later stage. One has to understand everything, that you have covered the diseases, you have covered the setup, you have covered how to pick up the bird, and there are other things. So I believe this is a well worth purchase if at all it is coming for the commercial use as well. So while I have the privilege to speak to Mr. Sadiq Bhaimia here, I forced him to tell me the price of it, although he was giving me as a gift. I got to know something very interesting about the book prices. Sir.
Actually, this book was not written with any commercial idea in mind. This book was just to spread the knowledge of bird keeping, because as a hobbyist, I know how difficult it was for me when I was a starter. So I wrote this book, and this book is a gift from me to all the upcoming hobbyists. I am not charging any money for this, and this books is not for sale. These books are not on counter. These books have been distributed at seminars and conventions held by the Aviculture Society. Like I gave these books at Gujarat. There was a seminar in Gujarat. Then Pet International, they opened the factory, the inauguration, they gave me books, and now I am giving it here, and again I will be giving it at MBL in Maharashtra.
So the idea of your book distribution at the seminar to me is like that you are having a thought that people should come together and attend this seminar on the beginning stage. Beginners should come and attend this seminar, and while they are coming, you are giving them as a gift this book, if I am right, sir?
Yeah, give them as a gift, because this gift will be more useful for them, and that's what I spoke to the people organize a seminar and conferences, instead of giving them something that is as a complimentary gift, which they might take and go and throw away or forget about it. At least if they have this book, they will go through the book again and again, if and when they require, and it will be helpful to them.
So what language it is? Because you belong to South, a lot of people have this doubt this book will be in regional language or so. So what language is it having?
Actually, I have written it in English, and because I don't know any other language which I can write, and more it is out of compassion that I have written this. And as I have said, I don't have any commercial idea about the book. My idea is to spread knowledge. So it all depends. If anybody is coming forward and willing to translate in his mother tongue, I'll be more than happy about it.
Sir, going ahead in future, for now that you are going through with the trial runs, and a lot of people are getting it as a study gift. When they give you the feedback, you get encouraged. Do you see any possibility of going it for the commercial? Because I understand there is a cost involved to it for printing and distribution and all those things. What will be the tentative cost for this book going ahead in future?
See, this as you said is just a trial basis, and I don't know if everybody loves it, and if I write it, I don't know where I am going to end, whether it's going to be 200 pages or 500 pages, and again it depends on how many color pictures and what I add to it. So basically, even if I bring it out commercially, it will be that to see that I get what I invest.
Okay.
So my book will be at cost price. It will not be like any margin for me.
I feel like that this book should be coming in a detailed version. Are you actually working on a detailed version as of now already, or it is going to be only on the basis of feedback?
Actually, writing a book has been my dream. It was always a dream. It was come to a fact because of my friends. And actually, this book, I would say, is a really good book. It is an X-ray of the backbone. If the people like it, appreciate it, if they feel that I should write something more, then I will add the skin and the muscles to it.
Appreciated. Thank you very much, Sadiq Bhai, for this quick discussion. I'm making this short video for you to understand the gravity of reading. If you want to be a hobbyist, you got to read about your bird. You got to understand what are the basics. And this book that brings in the basic knowledge of introducing to bird keeping. Very, very basic point. You got to understand what is the introduction of bird keeping. Keep this book, try getting this book from some of your avian friend, or try getting it from any of the convention. Very soon I'm hoping that you will get a commercial one. I was told approximately this version, if it is going to be this version, this will cost you somewhere about $300, which is nothing. It is equivalent to a cost of a Bajigar pair. Buy a less number of Bajigar pair, but buy this book. Thank you very much. This was Rahul from Nihal Pets with Sadiq Bhai Mia from Chennai.